Well, severe cyclonic storm Helen, packed with wind speed of 120 kilometers per hour, is likely to hit southern Andhra Pradesh coast today afternoon. Well, these in fact are the first shots of the cyclone captured by India's Mars orbiter Mangalyaan. The storm is expected to make a landfall between Machilipatnam and Nellore this afternoon. Helen is also expected to cause a storm surge of about 1 to 1.5 meters, potentially inundating low-lying coastal areas and flooding escape routes. Nellore, Prakasam, Guntur and Krishna districts in Andhra Pradesh could face the maximum fury of this cyclonic storm. And in the wake of this alert, thousands of people who are living in the low-lying areas have been evacuated and have been moved to relief camps. 18 teams of NDRF have been rushed to the region. People in the low-lying areas are being moved to safer shelters. Around 42,000 people have been evacuated from Prakasam, some 10,000 people from Godavari district, and 32,000 people have been shifted to safe areas from Nellore.
At the time of crossing, the wind speed may be more in the districts of Krishna district, as we are expecting that it is near Machilipatnam, so the surrounding districts, the wind speed will be more. After crossing the first, gradually it may decrease. It may decrease.
Andhra Pradesh government has taken all the measures to ensure that the devastation is less and lives are not lost. People are going to be evacuated from some of the key districts here like Prakasam, Guntur, Nellore and Krishna districts. This apart, medical teams are also ready, and also chlorine tablets and various medicines are on standby, which could be rushed in case this cyclone effect impact is going to be really big. This apart, 18 NDRF teams have arrived here in Andhra Pradesh and they are stationed at various points. Fishermen have been asked to come back. 19,000 boats have returned back, but still more around 100 boats are stuck in the sea, and efforts are on to rescue them, to send out message to them and bring them back immediately ahead of this severe cyclone. As of now, IMD is predicting that this could be a severe cyclone and the impact could be high and the wind speed could go up to 120 kilometers per hour. So it remains to be seen what is going to be the impact. But at this point of time, the state government is fully prepared to tackle this. Priyambada in Ongole for Headlines Today.